Welcome. See, from past two classes and this class, I am uploading short duration because I told I'll be out of station. Next class will be little bigger one because I'll be back at that time. Locate centroid. First of all, remember one note you make it. We considered angle section or L section, some people call, then I section over. Now we are going to a T section also over. See, we consider angle sections, T section and I sections. Then last two classes, some special questions I solved connected with the structural engineering. One was, that is question number 18 was for pre-stressed concrete beam. Question 19 is for steel structures. Question 20, now we are going for channel sections. Channel, some people call C section. Okay, see, it is like this. This is channel, but actually in structural engineering not that way. See, it's something like this will be there. Okay, that all will stay in the steel structures. Here, these are called flanges. See, these are called flanges. This is called flanges. This is called web. Now, all the channel sections available are symmetrical about x-x axis. Y you have to locate. See, I section is symmetric. I section earlier also here. Symmetrical about y, x you have to locate. Or y bar you require. Here, x bar is required. See, because here the symmetry axis lies here. See, therefore, this is midpoint, this is midpoint. So, other axis will be somewhere here. This x bar you require. But to understand correctly, question number 20 will be a channel where, see, practically you won't get it. But questions are given. Little, there is, see here, I told there is one symmetry axis here, but here, no symmetry axis. One question to understand. One all in millimeter, 110, 14, 12, 300, 180, 16. Okay. Divide into parts. Oh, this is 1. Oh, I see. This is 1. Okay, no problem. What is there? 1, 2, 3. See, divide like this. Divide like this. 1. Now dimensions. See. And do one thing. Write some statement here. Let us locate, for locating y bar, we will take reference axis. Now we require x bar, y bar both. See here, right here. We require both x bar and y bar. So now once again back to our old concept. Origin O here. This way we will take x, this way y. This point is what? Bottom left extreme end, right there. You should write, those who are serious should write there. Let us consider bottom left extreme end as origin O. From there, x this way, y this way. These all, if you are lazy, if you don't write, you are losing, that's all. Further, I can't tell anything. Start. Dimension, 180, see. 180 by 16. You are dividing like this, 110 into 14. This from here to here will be from total 300. See, total is 300. Subtract 14, subtract 16, you will get 270. Now, if you want this offset from here to here, see, the here to here, offset if you want, from 180, subtract 110, you take 90. I will tell you what happened. By mistake, I took it as 90. Because I thought this is 200. Okay, I took it as 90 after getting x bar from left side and right and finding from right side. Answer is not tallying. I tried 4 or 5 times. Each time it is giving error. Then once again carefully observed. Then suddenly realized. See, this is 180. It is 110. Only 70. I was under the impression it is 90. That's why it is little bigger written. Okay, no problem. Leave it. Start. Formulas all you have to write now. Now I cannot write. We have x bar formula, y bar formula. See, as usual, this is the origin O. This way is your x. This way is your y. This all told many times. You write here. So start. X bar this way, y bar this way. So x this way, y this way. A1. 180 into 16. Direct answer. You should calculate. Next one. 12 into 270. You should calculate. 110 into 14. you should calculate, total you calculate, but x1, see here, from here to here, 180 by 2, I wrote the answer, x2, simply 12 by 2, is there, x3, 110 by 2, a1, x1, a2, x2, a3, x3 by total area will give x bar as 47.433. Y distances. Figure 1, half of 16, 8. Figure 2, 16 from here to here plus another half of 270, 151. Last one, do one thing, 300 minus 14 by 2 or 16 plus 270 plus 14 by 2, do whatever you want, you get y bar. Okay. Once you get x bar, y bar, what do is, come back here. I remove this one now, see. Now, I can see there, okay. Last answer required, I will put here answer to save the time. Oh, you can put there only, why worry here? You can put here only, space is there. Because this time, shorter one, that's why. Here only space is there, okay. Neatly I can write here. Then, somewhat to scale mark it, whatever given. See, 110, 110, this is 300 and 180. Thickness is 14, this is 12, little lesser, okay, no problem. This is 16, this is 110, little bigger, okay. See, write the outermost dimension if you want. Here, full outer, 180, full outer to outer, 300. You are right here. Therefore, I forgot to write, centroid G will be as shown in the figure below, all dimensions in millimeter. This I told repeatedly, hundreds of times I told you. Okay, now see. X bar, 47.433 from here. 47.443 means it will cross this point. From here to here is 110, within that one. From here to center is 110 by 2 is 55. So it is not center, little this side, see. Little further this side. Right here. This is your x bar equal to 47.433. If you want, calculate from that side. From 180, subtract it. You will get 132 point, I already calculated, 132.567 is this answer, calculated value, okay, round off. And y bar from bottom, 125.783, see here, this is 16 plus up to center of web is plus 270 by 2 is 151. How much you got? We got 125, so little below center of this web. If this is center of that one, little below. This distance, anywhere mark this distance. This is your y bar equal to 125.783 millimeter. Camera I have to check now. Now, if you want, calculate from this side. How? From 300, subtract it, 174.216 millimeter. This intersection is the centroid G for the given channel section. Of course, it is a somewhat odd shape. Such channels you won't get, still for understanding purpose. First unsymmetry, one without symmetry, then with axis of symmetry. Okay. Now, make a note. Alternately, just to understand, all this I am doing not for time pass, right? Alternately, let us consider, see, right side topmost corner, where here, see, O origin here, and consider x this way and y this way. Then your x will be this way, y will be like this. I will change now. And your x bar from OY will be to left side, and this will be to down side. Okay. And here also, I change it. Okay, oh, change. People are there who will comment. Oh, okay, everything is over. Now, A1, A2, A3 remain same. X will change, start here. For figure number 1. Oh, this, see, from here 180 by 2, from there also 180 by 2. Same, 90. X2, last time it was what? Half of 12. Now, 180 minus 12 by 2. 180 minus 12 by 2 is 6. This is 174. Or you can do one thing. Or, by no or. Read. No or required. Any or is there? Or not required. Or, I don't have that way only. 180 minus 12 by 2. X3, see, 70, gap, 70 plus half of 110. 110 by 2. It will come 125. It will come 110 by 2. 70 plus 110 divided by 2 is 125. And y distance, correct, 125, correct. Y distances. Figure 1, directly 16 by 2. Oh, no, from top, oh, you see, from top you are doing 300 minus 16 by 2. From top you are doing, see, 3, sometimes, see, mistake happens that way. Minus 16 by 2 is 292. Figure number 2, 14 plus half of 270. 14 plus 270 by 2 is 149. I noted down. Figure number 3, directly 14 by 2 equal to 7. Calculate x bar, calculate y bar. X bar will come, I already calculated there, 132.567 millimeter, and y bar 174.216 will come. Okay, now write. Therefore, centroid G will be, see, this is your origin now. See, this is the origin, be careful. This is the origin O. We took x this side, last time I forgot to mention here, okay. And we took y like this. Last time you write here, this way x, this way y. Okay, now x bar we got how much? 132. See, 70 gap plus half of 110 is how much it is? 90. 90 alla. Last one. It is 125. But x bar came 132. So from center, slightly this side, correct? See, now this is your y bar. This is your calculated y bar. Y bar from there. And from the total width of 180, subtract it, you will get this distance. And now, from top edge, this is your y bar. And this is, you calculate from subtracting that y bar from 300. Okay, question is over now. Now, by the time you get this class, most probably I will be back in Bangalore once again, in my classroom. If I stay for 1 more day, 1 or 2 days more, 2 days after this class, next class, maybe 1 or 2 day gap. To balance that one, then I will upload 2 or 3 classes extra. Per day 1 class I am uploading almost. Maybe 1 day, morning, evening, both I will upload. Anyway, you study each and everything. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.